In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Squarespace app. Whether you're managing a personal blog, an online store, or a portfolio website, Squarespace offers incredible tools to help you build and grow your site. Today, we're focusing on how to enhance your site's functionality by connecting it with third-party tools and extensions. If you're new to Squarespace or you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Let's dive right in. To begin, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. Once you've signed in, you'll land on your website dashboard where all the magic happens. Now on the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll notice a sidebar. This is your main navigation hub for everything related to your site. Scroll down the sidebar and look for the gear icon. It's typically located toward the bottom. Clicking this will open the settings menu where you can manage and fine-tune your site's functionality. In the settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Third-Party Tools. Go ahead and click on it. This section is incredibly important because it allows you to connect your Squarespace site to additional services, apps, and platforms that can expand what your website can do. Once you've clicked, give it a moment to load. Now, depending on your internet connection, this menu might take a few seconds to fully appear, so just hang tight if it doesn't load instantly. Once it's ready, look toward the top of the menu and find the Extensions option. In some cases, this might be listed near the top or just slightly below, but it should be fairly easy to spot. Click on Extensions to proceed. Now, you're in the Extensions section. Here, you'll see a variety of tools that you can browse through. These extensions are essentially add-ons designed to enhance your site's capabilities. They're organized into categories, making it easier for you to find exactly what you need. For example, you can explore tools for email marketing, e-commerce, analytics, and more. Take your time to read the descriptions for each extension so you can decide what works best for your specific goals. If you already have an idea of what you're looking for, you can use the category filters to narrow down your search. Alternatively, you can simply scroll through the full list to explore all the available options. Once you find an extension that suits your needs, click on it to learn more. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect it to your site. Depending on the extension, you may need to authorize Squarespace to link with the tool. Some extensions include a setup wizard that will guide you through additional steps to finalize the connection. Just follow the prompts and you'll be good to go. Now, if you encounter any issues while trying to connect an extension, don't worry. Most problems can be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, double-check your internet connection to make sure it's stable. If everything looks good, try refreshing the page and starting the process again. These small fixes usually do the trick. And that's it. By following these steps, you've now learned how to connect third-party tools and extensions to your Squarespace website. This opens up a world of possibilities for customizing and growing your site. So now you know exactly how to enhance your Squarespace site using third-party extensions. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.